Class 9 line sense angle. Three extra question we discuss here. Question number 1. One of the angles of a triangle is 75 degree. Find the remaining two angles if their difference is 35 degree. One angle is given to be 75 degree and difference between other angle 35 degree. Other angle we have to find out. Okay. Now see how to do it. Solution. Let in triangle ABC, figure need not write. Let in triangle ABC, in our question what is given? One of the angles of a triangle is 75 degree. Let in triangle ABC angle A equal 75 degree. Any one A, B or C, any one of these three we can take as 75. I take angle A as 75 degree. Angle A equals 75 degree. And what is given in our question? Find the remaining two angles if their difference is 35 degree and angle B and angle C remain. Angle B minus angle C equal 35 degree. It is given. From this angle B minus angle C equal 35 degree. From this we can find angle B equal angle C plus 35 degree. Angle B equal angle C plus 35 degree. Now, from angle sum property of a triangle, we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180 degree. By angle sum property of a triangle, here we have to write. Okay, angle A is what? Angle A 75 degree. In place of A 75 degree. Plus angle B angle C plus 35 degree. In place of angle B we have to write angle C plus 35 degree plus angle C remains same equal 180 degree. This is angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, now see 75 degree plus 35 degree 110 degree. 5 plus 5 10 0 1 remainder. 7 plus 3 7 8 9 10 plus 1 110. ठीक है. Plus angle C twice angle C equal 180 degree. Then twice angle C equal 180 degree minus 110 degree. 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. Therefore angle C 70 degree, this 2 comes here, 70 degree by 2 means 35 degree. Okay, angle B and C we have to find out, and angle C we get what? Angle C 35 degree. Therefore angle B is what? Angle C plus 35 degree. Angle B angle C plus 35 degree, and angle C is 35 degree. In place of C, this 35 I put plus 35 degree. 35 plus 35 70 degree. Therefore angle C equal 35 degree and angle B equal 70 degree. This angle C and B we have to find out, and we find like this. Now question number 2. In the given figure, AB parallel to CD, means see here AB parallel to CD. Angle 8 equals 6x. These are see 1, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. This angle 8 is what? Angle 8 equals 6x. It is given. And angle 2 equal 120 degree plus x. This angle 2 is what? 120 degree plus x. Angle 2 is 120 plus x. Find the measure of angle 2 and angle 5. 2 and 5 we have to find out. Okay, this diagram. Solution of question number 2. Solution of question number 2. Diagram is this. Here what is given? Angle 8, angle 8, 8 equal 6x. This is given, and angle 2 is given, angle 2 120 degree plus x. Here we see that this AB and CD parallel. It is given AB parallel to CD. AB and CD are parallel. This is transversal. Therefore, angle 2 equal angle 8. Why? Angle 2 equal angle 8. Why? Exterior alternate angle. আগৰ এটা ভিডিঅ'ত মই এইবিলাক ডিছকাছ কৰিছোঁ, ইণ্টেৰিয়ৰ এংগুল, অল্টাৰনেট এংগুল, কৰস্পণ্ডিং এংগুল, লিনিয়াৰ পেয়াৰ, কো ইণ্টেৰিয়ৰ এংগুল, এই গোটেইবিলাক ডিছকাছ কৰি মই এটা ভিডিঅ' আগত দিছোঁ, সেইটো চাই ল'ব ভালকৈ, খুব ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট। দিছ এণ্ড দিছ আৰ পেৰেল, এ বি এণ্ড চি ডি আৰ পেৰেল, দিছ পি কিউ ট্ৰান্সফাৰ্চেল, দেয়াৰ ফৰ এংগুল 2 ইকুৱেল এংগুল 8 উই কেন ৰাইট। ডাইৰেক্ট আই ৰাইট হিয়েৰ angle 2 equal angle 8. Why? Exterior alternate angles, exterior alternate angle. Therefore, angle 2 angle 8. ট্ৰেন্সফাৰ্চেলৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ ছাইডত দূৰত থকা ইকুৱেল এংগুলবিলাকক অল্টাৰনেট এংগুল বুলি কয়। এংগুল 2 আৰু এংগুল 8 এই ট্ৰেন্সফাৰ্চেলৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ ছাইডত আছে, এইটো ছাইডত 2 আছে, এইটো ছাইডত 8 আছে, আৰু দূৰত থকা ইকুৱেল এংগুল, এই এংগুলবিলাক ইকুৱেল 2 আৰু 8, আৰু একেবাৰে ওচৰত থকা 2 আৰু 4 ভাৰ্টিকেল অপ'জিট এংগুল বুলি কয়। ট্ৰেন্সফাৰ্চেলৰ ছেইম ছাইডত থকা ইকুৱেল এংগুলবিলাক যেনে এংগুল 2 আৰু এংগুল 6, ট্ৰেন্সফাৰ্চেলৰ ছেইম ছাইডত থকা ইকুৱেল এংগুল, কৰস্পণ্ডিং এংগুল। তেনেকৈ এংগুল 3 আৰু এংগুল 7 কৰস্পণ্ডিং এংগুল, এইবিলাক তোমালোকে জানা। এংগুল 2 আৰু এংগুল 8 এক্সটেৰিয়ৰ অল্টাৰনেট এংগুল মই লিখিলোঁ। এতিয়া এংগুল 2 কি দিয়া আছে? এংগুল 2 120 degree plus x. In place of angle 2, we have to write 120 degree plus x equal angle 2 120 plus x. Angle 8 equal what? 6x. In place of angle 8, we have to write 6x. Now see this x minus 6x equal minus 120 degree. 120 I write here, and this 6x I write here. X minus 6x minus 5x equal minus 120 degree. Minus minus cancel. Therefore, x equal 120 degree by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10. 2 remainder 20. 5 4s are 20. X is 24 degree. What we get x? X 24 degree. Therefore, what we have to find out? See the question. Find the measure of angle 2 and angle 5. Angle 2 is what? 120 degree plus x. Therefore, angle 2 equal 120 degree plus x. That means 120 degree plus x. X is what? 24 degree. 24 degree means 144 degree. This 4, 2 plus 2, 4. Yes, 144 degrees angle 2. Angle 2 we get. Also what we have to find out? Angle 2 and angle 5. Angle 5 means this. Now see 8. 8 is what? Angle 2 equal angle 8. Angle 8 is 6x. Also angle 8 equal 6x. Here also given angle 8 equal 6x. 6 into x is what? X is 24. In place of x, 24 degree. 6 into 24. 144 degree. 6 into 24 is what? 144 degree. 6 4s are 24. 4 2 remainder. 6 2s are 12. 13 14. Take it. Angle 8 6x. Angle 8 is 144 degree. I get angle 5 we have to find. 5. Angle 5. Now angle 5 plus angle 8. 5 plus 8 180 degree. Linear pair. এডাল লাইনত দুটা এংগুল থাকিলে লিনিয়াৰ পেয়াৰ বুলি কয়. Now angle 5 plus angle 8. Now angle 5 plus angle 8 equal 180 degree. Here we have to write linear pair. Angle 5 plus angle 8 is what? Angle 8 is 144 degree. 144 degree. 180 degree remains same. Therefore, angle 5, 180 degree minus 144 degree. Okay, 180 minus 144, 10 minus 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 36 degree, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 10 minus 4, 6, 10 minus 4, 6, 7 remain there. ठीक है, 36 degree is angle 5. Angle 5 36 degree, angle 2 144 degree. আমি এইমাত্ৰ কৰিলোঁ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 2 কৰিলোঁ। 2 ডায়েগ্ৰাম এইটো আছিলে, এই জাষ্ট আমি যিটো অলৰেডি কৰিছোঁ। এই ডায়েগ্ৰামটো কুৱেশ্যনটোত থকা ডায়েগ্ৰামটো ভুল। ৰাইট ডায়েগ্ৰামটো হ'ল 2 কাৰণে এইটো। এই ডায়েগ্ৰামটো কিয় ভুল? এংগুল মেজাৰমেণ্ট 2টো আমি কি পালোঁ? ইয়াত 2 পালোঁ 144 ডিগ্ৰী। এইটো 2টোতো 90তকৈ সৰু, তোমালোকে গম পাইছাই। আৰু 5 পালোঁ 36, 5টোতো 90তকৈ ডাঙৰ। এই ট্ৰেন্সফাৰচেলডাল এনেদৰে নহয়, এনেকৈ হ'ব লাগিছিলে, এনেদৰে চোৱা। এতিয়া ইয়াত মিলি গ'ল, একজেক্ট ডায়েগ্ৰাম এইটো। তাত কুৱেশ্যনত ৰং আছিলে। এংগুল 2 এতিয়া এংগুল 2 144, 2 is 144 ডিগ্ৰী, এংগুল 2 is 144 ডিগ্ৰী, 536, এংগুল 536. Okay. Then now we go to question number 3. Question number 3. In figure, this figure, if L parallel to M, L, this is L, this is M, L parallel to M, and angle A is to angle B equal 2:3. A is to B ratio diase 2:3. Then find the value of angle Y. This angle Y we have to find out. Solution C. Question number 3, solution. Okay. Given angle A is to angle B equal 2:3. Let angle A by angle B equal 2/3. This we can write as this equal twice k by 3k. Therefore, I write here let, and here k is constant. Here k is constant. Now see, now what we have to write? See here, a plus b, angle A plus angle B, or a plus b, same, angle A plus angle B or a plus b equal what? 180 degree. Why a plus b? This is pair of angle, and this pair lie on a line. Therefore, linear pair is called linear pair. And sum 180 degree. A plus b 180 degree. This is property of linear pair. Angle A plus angle B 180 degree. Here we have to write linear pair. Linear pair axiom. Linear pair we have to write. Okay. Then angle A is what? Angle A twice k. Therefore, here we can write angle A equal twice k, angle B equal 3k. A twice k, B 3k. A twice k, B 3k. In place of angle A, we write twice k plus angle B 3k equal 180 degree. Twice k plus 3k is what? 5k. 5k equal 180 degree. Then what is k? 180 degree by 5. That is 5 3 are 15, 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15, 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15, 3. 5 3 are 15, 5 3, 15, 16, 17, 18, 30. 5 6 are 30. Okay. K is 36 degree. Now what we have to find out? Find value of Y. Now Y is equal to A, and A equal Y. Why? Exterior alternate angle. Angle A and angle Y are exterior alternate angle. Therefore, A we have to know. If we get A, then we can find value of Y, because Y equal A. K 36 degree. Therefore, A is what? A twice K. A or angle A same, twice K means 2 into 36 degree means 72 degree. 6 2 are 12, 2, 1 remainder, 3 2 are 6 plus 1, 72 degree. A is 72 degree. Also what we have to write? A equal Y. Angle A equal angle Y, or A equal Y, same thing. exterior, why exterior alternate angles? Exterior A equal y, why exterior alternate angle? Angle A is what? Angle A or A, same meaning, 72 degree. Therefore y, since A equal y, therefore y is 72 degree. Our answer is 72 degree.